Be trying, if you don't mind to be on YouTube one day.
Alright, Nick, eat one. Eat one on the camera right now.
Oh my God. On the camera right now.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Look at him eat one. I'm not even going to touch one of them because it'll burn my fucking fingers. Well, that's just a little piece of horseradish.
Yeah, it was horseradish. My fucking mouth was on fire. That ain't right, man.
Your eyes are fucking red, dude.
That's habanero for you.
Way red, dude.
Pretty good.
What are we looking for?
I don't know, ketchup maybe.
Yeah, let's put ketchup in it. We don't use hot sauce. But what we have going here is a gigantic horseradish root. Or whatever, radish. Damn big radish. Got the Magic Bullet blender. Whipping up some horseradish. Take a whiff of that. Yeah, that's pretty intense. Are you gonna drink it? Shit burns your nostrils. It's burning my nostrils over here again. Hello, Jenny. The ketchup, the almost horseradishy ketchup you ever heard of?
Yeah, dang it.
I'm gonna stop videoing so we can blend it without the noise craziness. Now we must add some mustard to our ketchup and horseradish. And a couple nice fresh habaneros. Because we're gangsters. That's right. Habanero gangsters. That's some good looking habaneros too. Now that you see what we add, we will go back to the blender and show you what's next. Alright, what do we got here?
Fiery bars.
A little bit of extra hot sauce to a concoction, even though we got habaneros and horseradish in there. A little fiery fart to make sure the morning's nice and toasty. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Back to the blender. Alright, the cooking process. Some ribs. Some hog's feet. Pig feet, baby back. Yummy.
Put it as that on there, man.
What you doing?
I'm walking away.
Walking away.
Walking away.
You don't want to be seen on the internet.
Hell no.
You can't be seen. You gotta eat it. I'm recording, yeah. Alright. Quite a few 24-ounce mugs of beer, and we're finally gonna put the sauce on the pig's feet. Remember, ketchup, mustard, horseradish, habanero, fiery fart contraption of a hot sauce. And we're gonna rub that shit with some little sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce on the opposite side.
No, it's just got the spice, the smoking.
It's the smoking. I can smell it.
Strong.
The spice is strong.
Eat some of this shit.
You can come up with some crazy shit like this.
Come on, Andrew Zimmern.
Hey. Got one more to butter up.
Oh, that shit's smoking off the fucking gold.
Yeah, if you could smell this over the camera, you'd be amazed.
No one needs Sudafed if you got this.
Fuck Sudafed. We're about to turn them over again, and we will double up the sauce on the other side with the Sweet Baby Ray's BBQ sauce. Out. Let's give this one. There's not even one of them. Pig's meat. This is pretty fucking hot, huh? Sauce is good. How the fuck do you eat this thing? There's like no meat on it. Give me one of the bigger ones.
After you mauled all over that one?
Yeah, throw it away or something. I'll eat it later. There's got to be some meat on it somewhere, right? Not really. Not really? It's pretty like...
It's the foot, man.
Alright. Rib. Not bad, really.
There's no meat to it.
Spicy?
No. But there ain't no meat to it. I don't know what you're eating, really. You try them. There's no time in this shit. We should have made a soup out of this or some shit.
How about that with it?
Beans and shit. Ham and beans.
I know what I'm trying to eat. Sorry, that's a little bit of meat. That is good, though. Retarded. What the fuck? Why are you eating it? I we should be giving this to a dog.
Big cream his britches if you got a pig's foot.
I'm trying to eat it. Oh, that's good.
They have bones in them?
Mm-hmm. It's like all bone. Bone and tendon. Like eating someone's foot.
Yeah, Wilbur's. How much did you want me to record?
It's like all...
I think you caught the moment already.
For sure.
3.5 minutes. That sounded like a good one.
More of a mess than it is a pleasure. I don't know why I'm still trying.
No, that's bad, is it?
I guess it's that sauce we put on there is probably what's good.
Yeah.
That big slab of chicken or something is probably fucking awesome.